Best Portable Air Conditioner 2025. It's great you're looking ahead to staying cool in 2025. Based on current reviews and trends, here's a breakdown of what to consider and some top contenders in the portable air conditioner market. Key factors to consider. BTU rating. This indicates the cooling power. Choose a higher BTU for larger spaces. Energy efficiency. Look for units with good energy efficiency ratings to save on electricity bills. Noise level. Consider how quiet the unit is, especially for bedrooms or offices. Features. Features like timers, remote controls, and dehumidifying functions can add convenience. Size and portability. Ensure the unit is easy to move and fits your space. SACC versus ASHRAE. It is important to understand the difference between these ratings. SACC is the Department of Energy rating, and is the rating to pay attention to. Top contenders, based on current reviews. Midea MAP14HS1TBL. This is often praised for its high cooling capacity and advanced features, making it ideal for larger spaces. Black+Decker BPP08WTB. This model is frequently recommended for its excellent value and performance in smaller spaces. Higher QPWA14YZMW. This is a good middle-of-the-road option, providing good performance at a reasonable price. Remco MKT295 Eco S-Line Mobile Air Conditioner. This unit is highly reviewed in the UK, and is known for its sleek design and quiet operation. Important notes. Technology is always evolving, so new and improved models may emerge in 2025. Reviews and ratings can vary, so it's essential to do your research before making a purchase. When looking at reviews, websites like CNET and other appliance review sites provide very in-depth reviews. I hope this information helps you find the perfect portable air conditioner to stay comfortable in 2025.